What's up, everyone? We are back with a haunted video. It's going to be so haunted with my friends. Guys, we literally saw a scary thing over here. It says TC yard and there's a number plate. What could this be? So, are you ready for this challenge?
Of course, yes.
Are you ready for this challenge?
Yes.
Are you ready for this challenge? Yes. Am I ready for this challenge?
Yes.
Guys, we have arrived to the haunted place. And wait, what is it? What? There's a ball.
So hot.
We literally saw a ball falling down. Guys, this is so spooky. This is so spooky. I'm gonna cut it. Guys, now we are going in this haunted. Can you hear the voice? Guys, so creepy. Is it you, Yatin?
No, it's not
What?
me.
What?
What the hell? No, it's funny. Oh, come here, run.
I can again see the white colorful ball. Who the hell are you? We are in a safe zone, I guess, because when lights are there, there are no ghosts. So, what do you tell about this, Ashu?
What should I do?
What about you, Prajwal?
So scary.
Okay, so let's continue going.
I was scared of that rainbow ball. Something.
Tell loudly, bro. The ball is. So, what do you think about this, Prajwal?
So creepy. Very scared. Can't believe.
You didn't feel that much. Then do one thing, bro.
I don't
Go
know.
Go to there, run and come. So, guys, this will be our safe zone. We'll rest here for 5 minutes and then we'll go.
We'll go for a journey.
Yeah, after 5 minutes. So, we'll wait after 5 minutes and I can see something. Okay, bye. Thank you. So, guys, I'm not afraid of ghosts because I'm devotee of Krishna, Shiva, Anjana and whatever. What about you, Ashu?
I'm also not scared.
Go there and come. What
If
about-
somebody is with me, I will not be scared.
Yatin, your turn.
Bro, it's like scary and also not scary at the same time. Think of God.
What about you, Prajwal?
I'm not scared only, but little creepy.
Oh, then you go till there and come. Go. Go more back. Hey, ball! You can see a ball and Prajwal is missing, guys.
Yeah, where he can be.
I can hear some grass noises.
We can hear some grass.
Who is that making? Who is he there? No, I can see a ball.
Hey, we got our first clue.
Ghost like balls.
Which shines after bouncing. And what is this sound, bro? What is this sound? Run, bro. Bro, it's coming back up. I'm scared of everything.
Back in the safe zone and now Yatin is missing. What could this be, bro? And
Next time, Missy.
you said you are not scared of anything and you are scared of everything.
That's common in mid-term sleep.
First Prajwal, then Yatin.
What is happening?
I want to go home, guys. What the hell is this? Guys, where's your ball? Where's the ghost ball?
Bro, I kept it there.
Guys, it's literally missing. I'm not joking. Man.
When we were
First-
sitting in I kept it moving.
First the ball, then the creaky sound, then the lights off, then the bats, and again the creaky sound. So we are going back in the right direction to find Yatin and Prajwal.
Our friends.
We
can't
are
miss
telling
them.
We can't do anything.
Okay, come, let's go.
We must do anything. We are back in a dark position.
Yeah,
Okay. I can see something in the yellow thing. So I literally saw something. See in the yellow part? Yatin, Prajwal?
Why are Bonzi in that ball?
Prajwal. Oh, I see a dead body, bro.
Oh. What is? He has that ball.
Yeah. Just joking. He will also help us in this ghost hunt. His name is. What is your name, bro? You say.
Rushant.
Huh?
Rushant, call me Bablu.
Bablu, bro. We can't.
Where did you get this ball?
It was over there.
Oh. Down fellow.
Oh,
So help us in this ghost hunt because Rajul and Yatin are missing.
yeah. I can tell that he is missing.
Ah, man.
Oh my god.
What happened?
Look over there. What's this? Whoa. Is it Yatin and Prajwal?
Prajwal, come here. Guys, I want to talk something with you. Guys. Bro, are you fine?
Are you okay? Bro, I think we should
Bro.
No.
Bro, those balls were so easy. Are you fine, but Yatin, are you fine? Oh, Yatin. Prajwal.
What happened to me? Why are you lying here on the ground?
Our guys are proper. You heard that one, guys? What was it?
Come to the
sound
center first. Come to the center. Go.
Cut it. We are finally okay.
Yeah, bro. I'm very scared.
Bro, we are scared.
So tell me what happened.
Bro, don't know, bro. I suddenly got possessed and I fell down.
Bro. Are they serious? I don't know. They are not even afraid of going. They are not even afraid. They are killing the ghost. Come back. He's still alive. Everybody be quiet. Everybody be quiet, I said. Everybody be quiet, I said. Stop, go back.
Everyone go back.
Why do you want to irritate us? Say the answer. Say the answer. Why do you want to irritate us?
Dada. Bro, he's
I'm
already...
gonna...
He's dead. He's not breathing.
Okay, stop with the acting. It's all Priyansh. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to like, subscribe and share. And subscribe.
And don't be scared of ghosts.
And wait a minute. Yeah.
And press the bell icon.
You get up. Bye guys.